Users log in either a student or a teacher, and both will enter their username and password to access the app.
If you log in as a teacher, as you can see, there are 6 functions and welcome message displaying their teacher's name. Let's start with one of them, assigned lesson. It will take you to the manage lesson page where the teacher can enter the lesson title and the content they want to explain. Then they can click save. You will also notice that all lessons are listed and they can be edited or deleted. Here is the code.
Let's go back and move to manage user buttons. Here's the teacher can add student by entering the student names and password. You will also notice that each student has a unique ID.
If you click on it, you will go to the Manage Quizzes. First, you choose the lesson, then enter the exam title and total score. After that, you can add the questions you want. For each questions, you select a type, either true, false, or multiple choice, where you provide the options. Specify the correct answer and assign scores for each questions. You can save each questions or delete it, and finally, you save the entire exam.
Let's go back and move to Student Progress. This will take us to the Student Progress page, where the results of students in the selected quiz are displayed. It also shows you that the student has watched the lesson and their score in the quiz. At the bottom of the page, there is a summary showing the number of students who passed, failed, those who did not take the exam, and those who did not watch the lesson. In the future, we will implement the class performance and coding activity functions.
Let's go to the student's homepage. We have 4 function buttons. Let's start with the start letter. It will take you to the lesson page, which includes the lessons previously graded by the teacher. The students can choose the lesson D1. After finishing the lesson, they can evaluate themselves and take a quiz on the topic. After that, the results will appear showing a score in whether we use the variables database to store data online. When we request data, it is written in format JSON, looks like a dictionary. The JSON text decode function is then used to convert this data into format that App Inventor can understand. Here is example of JSON. Each user student has a unique ID, name, and password.
During the development of EduNova, our team followed an iterative process based on real user feedback. We conducted testing sessions with a group of students, teachers, and parents to understand their needs and gather their opinions about the app. But based on their feedback, we made several improvements, such as simplifying the user interface to make it easier for students to navigate, enhancing lesson explanations to be clear and more interactive. We continually test and update the app to ensure it meets users' expectations and provides an effective and enjoyable learning experience. This ongoing feedback loop helped us to refine EduNova and make it more user-friendly, practical, and peaceful.
We tested the app at the school with a group of students, teachers, and parents. We've gathered their feedback, reaction, and opinions about the app, as well as feedback for additional features they would like to see.